All right, so you've built this application. It's got all the features we need it to. It's got persistence. It's got user interactions, gestures, efficient scrolling lists, app icons, splash screens, all that stuff. Now we need to actually go ahead and build it for production. It's a bit different than something like the web where you just kind of ship it to a server and you can constantly update it. Since we are building a native iOS and Android app, we do need to bundle our code and then send it to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store for review. And I've tried recording this. It's not a process that's very conducive to video because, especially looking at Android, there's some long strings of commands we need to run in our terminal window, and it's just easier to link to the documentation, so you just copy and paste those. Now, it is important that you have both a iOS or an Apple developer account. You need that to actually publish an App Store account. Likewise, with Google, you need a Google Play developer account. So make sure you have those set up. Also, this is more for Android. You're going to generate a key store file that's very clearly outlined in the documentation that I'll have a link to. Make sure once you generate that key store file and once you upload that application, you never lose that key store file and you don't forget the passwords to it, because without that key store file, you can never update your App Store listing. Again, you'll have to create a new App Store listing, lose all your reviews, ratings, downloads, all that stuff. You don't want to do that. So have a secure way to save that key store file, keep those passwords for it, so that you can continue to update your application as time goes on. And that's pretty much it. Once you go through and actually publish that, that's just kind of the process you'll go through whenever you want to update your application. If you want to look at other tools, there's ways to actually update just the JavaScript side. That's things I've talked about on React Native School that you could learn about to just do more over-the-air updates like you may be used to on the web. So thank you for your time, and I hope this course was valuable.